Me, famulem, una good evening, una good afternoon, or una good morning. This na una program again, Salone CASHBOX. Me famulem, today na the 30th of January 2025. Me Salone people, today I want to talk about very important thing will go on in our country. I mean, of course, I want to believe, I want to believe that every message we pull out very important. You know, Salon people, some part we not there na social media for certain fan noticement, how they can they talk and safe now social media waiting catch cruise something some catch cruise or whatever, hey, me I know they look for popularity because we take up the space because we see vacuum where politicians them don't actually capture una minds and soul through the traditional media, the newspaper them, and the TV stations them and platforms and all that thing. And like where they go pay one journalist no more. He puts now a newspaper caption say, "Hey, this person are the most powerful." Like they know actually they see inside. Waiting we they do salon people them now forensic investigation and analysis. Salon people hey, una tell me any kind word, but I keep telling you guys this thing. Okay, I agree. Una tell me all kind thing. Una arrange me how I did or how I not did. But look, the information where I give una, it change Salone. The information where I talk about is waiting then country there, yeah, the practice will make them successful. Even though I don't agree with what you talk about me, but let we just go according to that old saying where they say, "Do as I say." A lot of people, I didn't have a kitchen because normally in a kitchen I can pass what you do audio. You just take me phone no more. I can't do my kitchen and la bobo. So a meet up the tail women, the chop chop potato leaf. Potato leaf they you don't cook done boy if you not the area and the boy like I say what they don't what they don't what they do. That's what I don't anyway. But salon people and waiting because like what I cook, I put like that binge inside it. Like as I tell you the last time, every time where are they cook, where are they put binge? Now salon people are the member. It just they come to me because when I remember what I've been telling us say, them binge then they wait to make people them they put them, but put them that binge now upline them they put binge but put them. Not to that black hair binge. Now that I don't know. Sorry, I don't know if that console bench them they call them the big one. Wait to make people them they put them now upline. Now because they don't be they get fish enough. So now bench them be they put. But a lot of people them and not to even upline. Because I believe say I grab up and meet me mama they cook and put bench there. Whether me mama like copy me they copy am the time when them be they upline or because my mama think a free song born as well. But like it was very frequent upline. So whether because of that they don't use Storam, that the same thing back. Imagine like Nakota now put inside me soup. Soba peut-être. If I say it's soba, you know, soba, it's not the one the cooker, as far as it be concerned, it's sweet. You see, but some people still. You imagine, you know, people now upline. I just this guy for talk about habit. And sometimes this is the reason why I understand una plight. I understand una stubbornness for receive or accept change. Sometimes I don't get angry at all. I don't vex because I understand una stubbornness. I know sometimes when you're used to something, it is difficult. That transition that you not easy. This is the reason why I make some man where like they don't use for beat woman in Africa, like one can play that play in here. I think, you know, I can always tell people and say, I take you back, like, man, I grew up fully back in a salon. Because, you know, some habits, and I didn't say salon man in the drum, that's not what I'm saying. I just say, you know, because, like, they get that total right where they just feel listen and they give the woman anything. So any small thing now, if they get good day, they get bad day, they want to be two man. I don't know how some man can play that play. I don't understand why some man able Asian being so a nakuman. I'm not able to understand. But anyway, some people are talking about habits. So this is the reason why I can understand, you know, una stickiness in accepting change. Because imagine me, I get fish. If I want, I can put chicken and beef. I can go buy a beef and chicken in this country. If that's beef and chicken, the cheapest fish in this country. Far away. I can put all kind beef creature inside my soup. But I mean, not like beef and beef chicken business. Like, what can they cook? Like, now fish no one they put in my soup. Imagine, I get that option there. But still, I prefer for put binge. Where it be say the binge at the time before. Now, because it is substitute like fish. But because of the habit, I still put binge. Now it don't sweeten my mouth. Like if I cook plastas and not put meat, and I feel like I say something wrong. So some people I understand. But you see, me who binge what they put in my plastas, I acknowledge and binge say, I just they put the binge no more. But not to say like, you know, it affect. Like if let we say sometimes if this binge, just because I don't use to run, if they cause sickness for me, I still they put it on my plastas no more. This is how salon people they behave. They know, say the thing they accept, you know, and get from these politicians, and they cause sickness, and they cause death, and they cause deprivation, and they cause harassment, and they cause pain, and they cause starvation, and they cause poverty, but they accept them. Imagine if this bitch, what I put them, it go give me, you know, food poisoning. Some people like, you would say, Wombele. Imagine. But still continue for putting inside it, not just stupidity. When I saw the bad habit, they accept them, acknowledge them, but it cause pain, but still accept them. Some people, today I want to talk about what I title shipping boat versus cocaine boat. Some people, I want beg una for listen very, very keenly to this audio. Shipping boat versus cocaine boat. Some people, when I make no mistake, when I allow them no more men in the talk. When I allow them men in the talk. Today, somebody sent me one guy where go defend the government about President Bio. You know, like they don't begin contradict themselves. Then we allow them no more men in talk. Then they contradict themselves. Then we allow them waiting something samba or so. We go dinner if you win the interview today. Now they don't admit say the Pekin get some amount of relationship with Madabio in Pekin. The guy, sorry. I think yesterday, sometimes I can talk like yesterday I managed for listening to audio, like I think I want sleep, then I hear why they talk say the fall and the chicken theory. I laugh, I was like, who's side is it come out? What do I mean, salon people? Now the fall and the egg theory, who that first come? I did not mean, I don't meant for actually say the chicken and the fall without first car. I was meant to say the fall and the egg uswan first car. But anyway, so people there and Boku talk also are going to be how we want when we make those mistakes. You know, Salone people, they will just allow them for talk. But when they go on a Salone right now, now a battle between shipping boat and cocaine boat. Salone people, make I tell you now, waiting to go on right now, God reach. Now, God reach today, and not only today, these guys, them, they don't plan, say, they don't give the people an excuse because they want to give room for the cocaine boats them for they arrive in a Salone. So what's happen? Way back, they don't tell the people and say, man, they left for sheep, fishing, because, man, they left for fishing because the fish they need for bone. You see, Salone people, hey God, sorry. There is a vacuum. Salone, we get problem with we leaders them. That very statement they tell you say, we get stupid leaders them now we country. That very, very statement they at all this. Maybe plasters no can burn dish, you know. Because the more they burn, the more they reduce. Then it will make her begin cook back. Yeah, I reduce the fast cyber. You know, and I too fast I make this video. Whilst the rest they cook. So me my market they say I don't worry no more. I can't go make too fast I quick one. The way they make too fast I now where you want cook quick one. Too fast I make they cook the plasters, then the rest they cook. Too fast I. You know, Salone people the danger now, when I read this talk about say, oh, for me the ship them able born, I become I don't hear this talk, and I want to talk about this. I was angry, I was bitter, I vexed. I said, for God's sake, what's wrong with Salone? What's wrong? What did we do? That very statement there, now error, now big fool. It tells us that, you know, leaders in Sierra Leone do not quite understand. Salone people, this not the space, you know, this not the place where I really want to make, you know, Salone change. And I can always tell when I say, look, una disrespect me as much as una want. Hey, I get what it take for make Africa, not even Salone, Africa change. Hey, if una want to hate me, if una want to like me, I do. I've listened to speakers in Africa, president, where they condemn death. And I listened to you know Uhuru Kenyatta today, where they talk about, you know, African leaders in the vex way Donald Trump pull out of WHO. I love that guy. But when they really didn't say on the school man for talk. Uhuru Kenyatta. A video where they talk about the WHO withdrawal by the USA. You know, Salone people, that very statement that the fish they need for bone. You know what it tell we? It means they just go ship another country there haphazardly. You know, what just go ship no more. We don't care for do research of awaiting Salone get. Salone people, I mean, audio yesterday or day before yesterday, I talk about something where financiers that they call do things them sustainably. You know, like do things them in a sustainable manner. What think that means, Salone people? Now, for make like, you know, present generation do not compromise future generation. make the effect of the waiting we they do now affect future generation. You see, this is the reason why I tell people, I'm like, when I remember what I tell them about the 1.6 trillion worth iron ore, where they get that on Colini, then sell with for mine them over 60 years, because then they tell we say that's the most sustainable way for doing, where it will affect future generation. It could well be for other reasons. We could actually amend them for change them, because if we see and say maybe other mineral go come in the world, we go kind of like be used for produce, iron ore, whatever, iron rod, and all that thing in there from. So then we make hay while the sun shine, just like with diamond. So some people, when they make that statement, say for me the fish they're able born, you see, it tells us that we not actually kind of like able understand and able to regulate waiting we get as a country. And that is a big error. That's a problem. Hey, Salone people. You see, look, as I tell you now, I think yesterday I talked about Rachel Reeves. The UK chancellor, but the equivalent of, you can call him UK finance minister. It kind of like give a speech yesterday where like it want to talk about yesterday I talked about deregulation. Some people waiting in the try for do now, for try for relax certain rules them where they combat or where they discourage investors them. In fact, waiting at the plan right now, they were actually kind of like allow companies them for able kind of like use their pension fund for reinvest them in their businesses then. They want to relax that loading. Because, and back in the days, like the 2008 crash and all that in the day, Salone people waiting upon, and remember, we don't tell them, I said the UK right now, they tell them, say, maybe they announce, austerity. Austerity where they say if you announce austerity, they bring confidence. Austerity where the likes of Kelfala Marad and Sidom, them bad mouth the APC for. But anyway, then they try for regulate certain things then. Because then they say and say, if they allow companies, because in the 2008, like there was like a serious problem with like pension funds them and all that in there, and they're concerned about people and pension for making it go down the drain. So like they actually put tight regulations as to how companies and they spend their money there, because they don't want to make it like they don't want to make their investment in risky assets, like the NASIT money. Some people waiting in the try for do now. They want to relax the rule, increase, like as it is right now, they say UK even they behind because they're too regulated. Like when you look at the US, the Canada, like on average, like they spend about 25 to 30% of their pension fund, then they reinvest them. The UK now, it's about 10 to 14%. So they try for relax the law. Anyway, Salone people, and by the way, hopefully tomorrow, I want to talk about NRA. Ibrahim and I, we were laughing about a video. He sent it to me and I say, Kashi, he say, if you get good day, make sure say you don't open this video. He say, because you have to go warm. But knowing me, because of curiosity, big full one, and I be middle net, I go open them. And indeed, it's a baby me at one bank so. Some people I will play that video for and make una can listen. Like the NRA somebody where they talk, where they boast about the money where they collect, and I go analyze them tomorrow for una, hopefully. But you see, some people bedtime no beats me now. The shipping boat versus the cocaine boat. I know they conclude now, but I put a scenario. For the fact that they say for me the fish they're able born, all of those things for me the ship them born, like the number of years, like how many fish them, how we for the do fishing at Salone and all that thing in there. If we do proper studies as to waiting we get now we water, we be able to know how for fishing sustainably. For instance, what I mean, if we get 1 million fish, we for know like how the fish then they give birth. They are marine experts. They for know the number of fish they all get. They for know almost fish who for the go fishing every month. They should know that. For the fact that they tell we say many fish they born, it means they do not quite understand or they be know, but somebody don't flout the rules where they cost we delicate today. But Salone people for make una know una can hear the most stupid thing, the most annoying thing what do I ever hear in my life about Salone. As they talk to una right now, they change that thing there. Waiting and say for many fish them born. Now they don't go tell the people and say fish they come out outside Salone where they want to make they can sell in a Salone. So now he make they no want allow them for fish because if they're fishing, that fish there where they pull from Salone no go able to sell in a Salone. So they want to stop it in large that is me mama me granny they say in bear wali bam 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 de o ati o. Now they say they stop people for fishing because fish they come out outside the country. Today now they tell me so now God rich. Now God rich. Today they say they stop people for fishing because fish they come out outside Salone where they want make they can sell inside Salone. Eh? Hey, and this will be small. They say, "But me a drum boss." That they okay, talk and lie, but that something we unbelievable. We can even say, "But me a drum boss." How? Then they give the people an all-kind excuse as to the reason why they shouldn't fishing. Whether or not they're making all these excuses, because these excuses are how they go say people in the fishing na Salone, but they rather prefer to go pull people in young fish from outside Salone. Where Salone no short of fish, whether or not that's true or they want discourage the people, because this cocaine thing don't expose, they want clear the way. Salone people, today, na God rich. Today, this is the government where they say let we go to 2028. You see, one woman they were not only because it translates in audio them like pantimni, ontimni, pantimni, but I know for sure that this woman, most of them people are where they go against, where it stand for democracy. I've been listening to you today, Mama Salone. Most of them people are where they go have a go at today because of democracy's sake. Most of them. Are very, very close to them. I know that. The APC executive they are where they go at so. These are the people that we may respect in our life. Where regardless of your affiliation, connection, speak the truth. If you make and respect you. These are the people where I get utmost respect for. Most of them people are where they go against you. I believe, I think I don't witness like them by Ansane them in Kailu them. She has connection with them. I believe say in connection with Payansane, Paminkailu. I don't know, I stand to be corrected, Mama Salone. If Nala like you forgive me. But waiting me to observe and see or yeri. You have connection to them in Kailu them. Pass Samura Kamara. But you choose Samura Kamara because you feel say waiting they go on is wrong. And I get utmost respect for you, man. Thank you very much. You know, Mabiti Fona, that parliamentarian. I don't know if I don't say now, you're the only person I will call honorable. But I wonder if I should take it back. I should suspend it. Because since you're going to ECOWAS, it's coming to 6 months or over that now. Since you go ECOWAS and talk about the tripartite, if you so believe in the tripartite, in democracy, why are you still in that parliament? May not be saying an empty spoon you can put in a remote. And I'm giving you, I don't order you, but I believe say I give you 1 month. If you not come back and tell we your position, if you want them inside the parliament for say, oh, you want to know what they go on there, but you must speak up. If you not speak up, then it means, you know, na camouflage you and camouflage we. And we know they take hypocrisy. Never again. For boy, come on, ECOWAS. Ying. Spirit pass. We know they take nothing in there. For people like Kayekui. You know what they say? Mama Salone, thank you. But you see, Salone people, where they talk about this fishing, how they go stop people in not God in it? Not for do fishing anymore. First, they tell them, say, for me, the fish them born. Now, then they tell them, say, oh, fish, they come outside Salone when they want to make cancel inside Salone. Salone people, me, I don't tell you, I say, buy them fish in there or not. Because I don't know if we're going to distinguish between them fish and there. And secondly, if, like, you know, we can't, we don't get better. For it's not trouble. But you see, Salone people, could this be the master plan of waiting they go on so right now? When they tell people and say, first, they don't give the excuse for many fish them born, which I think is a very stupid one. He exposed with stupidity and recklessness. And now they tell them, say, no, fish they come out Salone where they want to make can sell in a Salone, so they make they want to stop people for fish. For say this now all part of the master plan for the cocaine boat. Who that is so far? Yes, Salone. You know, Salone people, please, I want to go search this music. Somebody will sing this song. I don't know the name, but powerful song, very meaningful. Salone people, you know, I will left me audio now, but I want to listen to this song because, interestingly, I will left now. But the question again at the end, I'm with a question. Why then they tell people say men they not ship because they ship the fish they need for born? Men not fishing because they fish they need for born? And why now then change them from the fish they born to say like fish they come outside Salone? And why they forever do that for prioritize people where they pull fish from outside Salone to the one the way they fish in a Salone? You see, lack of productivity. No wonder make we youth today able get job, they go take kush. Salone people at the left una with this. Una be the judge over this. And una listen to this Salone's song. Powerful song. Powerful song. Una listen, Salone people.
In the heart of West Africa, where the lion once roared, 11 years of battle left our spirits so sore. Now the wounds are open wide, facing new plight with a reckless government.
Reckless
flight.
Powerful song.
Oh, Sierra Leone, your children cry tonight through the air.
We're crying. Powerful song. Salone people at the left this song. Please do not search for it. It's all over social media. If you don't have it, please let me know.
Where's the hope we had once, strong in every heart? He promised us a future of peace and prosperity.
They promise us
Instead,
peace,
they brought us
future, peace and
chaos.
prosperity. And they left from the house, Salone people. And attack.
Streets once full of laughter, now shadowed with despair. Little ones are falling. Does anybody care? Oh, you children cry tonight through the echoes of war. We've lost our guiding light, trafficking in drugs, tearing us apart.
Trafficking drugs. Tearing us apart.
Strong in every heart. Others grieve in silence.
Mothers grieve in silence.
Their will. For
Fathers
every
lose their
son
will.
and daughter, there's a battle uphill. We fight a different war now against the darkness spread. As the soul of a nation battles for its bread. Oh, Sierra Leone, your children cry tonight through the echoes of war. We've lost our guiding light, trafficking in drugs, tearing us apart. Where's the hope we lost? Strong in every heart.
Powerful song. Thank you to the composer and the hopefully, yeah, thank you. Powerful song. You know, Salone people, this is not the story. You know, it's sad. Very sad. You okay? What do you want?
I'm recording it.
It's fine. I'm finishing now. Salone people, this is not the story of Salone. But we're good. We're good. You know, surely when they come back to life, we must redeem that country. You know, we cannot